Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently live or currently long in Bitcoin and waiting for potentially another long position entry here on a limit order. And then if these trades will go to take profit, then I will be looking at a short. So quite a few things going on. We'll start with a top down and we'll pick up with the trades in the order as I described. So first up, we have here on the 4-hour chart. I'll bring your attention up here to the top. Actually, we'll just do a top down. So here, this is the monthly chart. Buy side delivery, so bullish here on the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. Buy side delivery here, some consolidation. Also here on the weekly chart, if I zoom in, even though the chart is currently bullish, if you see there's a blue line here, and then this candle here, there's a market structure shift here to the sell side. So the weekly could likely be breaking down here. And then up here on the 4-hour chart, this is where I took a trade here the other day. This is based off of this fair value gap that you see highlighted that's covered from way back there. Let's back up a little bit here. And there you can see the extent of the distance here of the fair value gap here from where it traded back into the fair value gap. Then if I come in closer here, you'll see this candle here. This candle here rebalanced the fair value gap, and then actually maybe even this candle here. But there's a rebalance of the fair value gap. So this would make this candle here, the low of this candle, this would make this an intermediate term low here on the 4-hour chart. Took an entry here on this candle. You can see getting some buy side delivery, then basically consolidation here, and now getting another leg up here for buy side delivery, and now pulling back here. And then I'm looking to take profit here at the low end of this. This is a fair value gap here. And same thing here with this here, fair value gap. So this is what I have here on the highest time frame that I'm currently trading on, which is the 4-hour. And then I'm waiting for potentially to enter actually let's go over this position now. So here on the 60-minute, I am inside of this trading range here where you're seeing the Fibonacci retracement tool, and if I zoom in, you can see that I have a limit order here set out for this 62% level, and then there's a fair value gap inside of this here, and my stop is just below this level here. So there's the fair value gap series of candles, and my stop is just below here, and I'll zoom out and you can get a look at take profit. So take profit is here, which is the I'm targeting sales or buy side liquidity. There's going to be buy side liquidity resting above this area from anyone who would have gone short there. So you can see my take profit lines up right with that level, as I believe that the price delivery algorithm will seek out the buy side liquidity resting just above here. We're about $100, a little over $100 away from an entry into this position if I'm able to get an entry here today. And then we'll take a look at the position that I am looking to trade into. So here on the daily chart, I move the Fibonacci retracement tool you'll see here after this pullback, there is continued sell side delivery here. There's this fair value gap here, and then this candle here. There's a level right here with these two candle bodies here that you can see this blue line, this blue dotted line that's going across. This candle right here creates a breakup structure. So this candle here in conjunction with this price level here creates a breakup structure here. So I'll be looking for continued price action to the sell side, but more importantly looking for a pullback. And what I'm seeing here is a potential low put in right here, and then potential pullback to this fair value gap here, and then I'm looking to take an entry based on this fair value gap here. Actually, looks like price has traded into it here. No, price is just shy of trading into the fair value gap series of candles now. My entry is closer to the high end of the fair value gap, closer to candle number 1 here in the fair value gap. This is just because of due to positioning. So I like to enter positions at least the 62% level. So even though this fair value gap here is lower than 62%, I only want to enter in this range where there is an optimal trade entry or an OTE. So this is the area that I want to take any positions in. So I'll hold until price can reach up into this area, and then when it does, I would anticipate potential sell side delivery here. And for the first trade that I showed on the 4-hour chart, my target and stop loss I didn't show. So my stop loss, as I may have mentioned but didn't show before, is my stop loss is just below this candle here, and take profit is right here where this fair value gap, the low end here of the fair value gap. You can see here, take profit here. Price action hovering around about now about 100, within the range of $150 of reaching my limit order entry. So with this, just looking at it here on the 5-minute chart, I would anticipate a sweep of the sell side liquidity that's resting below this candle here from the previous session. And actually, let me update the previous session here based on liquidity here. So there's buy side liquidity that's resting right up here, and then, as I mentioned, there's going to be sell side liquidity resting right down here. And we'll see if price will deliver into my limit entry, and then we'll see if it will hold, if that limit entry is received. And again here, taking my entry here at the 62% level, right here, seeing the fair value gap here. And price consolidating here around the 112, 180 level currently. price frozen in time here. 112, 187.2. Limit order entry currently set at 112, 105.5. Price still consolidating here. And getting some buy side delivery here. So price hovering just around my limit entry, but just not quite ready to sell through this 112, 180 level. We'll see with that buy side delivery if it's ready to sell lower, and now it just has sold lower than the 112, 180 level, but still consolidating around that level. Ideally want to see 112, 150 or below to clear the 112, 180 level. As you can see, it's consolidating back up on the other side. So now consolidating within $5 or $6 on either side, above and below the 112, 180 level. Price still consolidating here. And back up to 112, 200. And 112, 220. And price being delivered to the buy side and consolidating here around the 112, 220 level. Potentially heading to 112, 250 if buy side delivery is continued. Price consolidating here, 112, 220 area. So close, but yet so far. So it seems that Bitcoin, if it will sell off to my limit order, it is certainly not in a hurry to do so today. And now showing 112, 250 and buy side delivery. As you can see from the price action here over the course of the day, there's been mostly consolidation with overall sell side delivery here. You can see this, it's just back and forth, just basically undoing most of the things that it has been doing. So I would anticipate if price action will deliver lower, it's likely going to come up and test. There's a fair value gap right here. So I'm going to anticipate price to reach up into this fair value gap before making the next leg lower here to the sell side. this fair value gap, extend it out in time here. So I anticipate some kind of contact here with the fair value gap in this candle, perhaps the next, and then potential sell side delivery here. Or from the looks of it, may not reach the fair value gap. This candle here may fail as is. But still showing some strength here. Getting some buy side delivery here. Price approaching 112,350. Trading into this fair value gap. This candle looking very bullish. And getting some buy side delivery with speed here. And just to repeat, looking for price to trade into this fair value gap, and then for some sell side delivery to return to price action. Price reacting here just slightly, just before reaching the fair value gap. Return to buy side, price approaching 112,400. $112,400. Now price is trading inside of the fair value gap, or at least contact has been made with the fair value gap here. And now we'll see if the fair value gap will hold and return price back to the sell side here. I would imagine I would anticipate in this candle or the next, if all goes well, to see this fair value gap rejected. 112,420 now down to 112,400. $112,380. So it seems that price is reacting from the fair value gap. Now we'll see if there is a 112,350. Price still consolidating here around 112,380. Looking for 112,350. Then 112,380. Well, then 112,320. So right now approaching 112,350. 112,320. Price holding here below 112,350. Consolidating in between 112,320 and 112,350 currently. Price frozen in time here, 112,320, 332.2. I repeat, 112,332.2. And now getting some buy side delivery. Return to 112,350 here. So less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price trading back up to the 112,380 level. And we'll see if this candle will put in a swing high here. A lower high here, a lower high here, and this being the highest high in a 3 candle formation. Ideally is what I want to see here, with this being the swing high right here. So we'll see on the next 5-minute candle if that formation is put in. Getting a return to buy side delivery here, 112,400. And now we'll see if we can get a return to sell side delivery and start a swing lower. And getting buy side delivery, possibly a new 5-minute high here for 19.6. So a new 5-minute high put in. So that swing idea is now nil, and now this could be the swing idea. With the way that this candle closed pretty high before, when it was showing more of a wick. Let's say when the candle was more like this. More like that, then yeah. But it seems like this wants to rebalance this fair value gap. So right now the fair value gap is being rebalanced here. So now there's nothing up here unless the algorithm, the price delivering algorithm, wants to sweep out the buy side liquidity here. But I'm not anticipating that since the previous session here. Actually, let's back up and take a look at the previous session here. So here, this is the previous session high here. So there was buy side liquidity resting here, but that was swept out of the market here. So now that buy side liquidity has been swept out of the market, I'm now looking for sell side liquidity to be swept, which is down here and also down here. So with this liquidity, this buy side being swept, now just looking for the nearest sell side targets, which are here and here, for sell side liquidity pools. We can see here price action now trading through the rebalance of the fair value gap, and we'll see if buy side liquidity here is swept, or if a wick is put in and then a return to the sell side. So if liquidity is swept here, then it's going to take longer for my limit order to be reached, if at all. If price returns to the sell side, then there's a chance for the limit order to be filled sooner than later. But with this pullback, regardless of if it's a sweep or if price continues, even if it is a sweep, it's going to take a while to get back down here. But no previous session liquidity has been swept, and you can see here the buy side liquidity here was just swept out. So with this, this could just be a sweep of liquidity here before a leg down. Many things can be happening here, but my bias right now, or my drawn liquidity right now, is to the short side, since the previous session liquidity here is still in play. The previous session high has been taken out. This session high is, or the previous, these are two previous sessions ago here, and then for this session here, these are both still in play. So for Bitcoin to go somewhere, at least with this high being taken out, looking for some sort of sell side liquidity pool, ideally here, to be traded into and swept out of the market. But I have some things to do, so I'm going to let this trade idea pan out one way or the other, and we'll see what happens. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade smart, trade together. We'll see you next time.